Digital signage is becoming an important communication tool for businesses across South Africa, from retail stores and shopping centres to corporate offices, hotels, and public spaces. Modern digital signage solutions help companies replace traditional signs with dynamic content, real-time updates, and engaging customer experiences. Popular solutions include floor-standing digital signage, touchscreen kiosks, digital menu boards, video walls, and interactive displays. However, choosing the right system requires more than comparing prices. Buyers need to consider screen configuration, CMS compatibility, customization options, quality control, and long-term support. Ikinor provides OEM and ODM digital signage solutions for global partners, offering customized hardware, flexible production, and reliable manufacturing capabilities. The right digital signage partner helps businesses improve communication, strengthen branding, and build scalable display networks.